this, so this video is sponsored. Now, I already know what's in here. We have a long wig, and I am excited because I haven't had super long hair in forever. So I'm gonna just go ahead and unbox her with you guys. Look at it, look at it. Okay, they gave me a razor to cut the lace, a wig cap, an edge band, some lashes, and these are actually long, and an edge brush. And so for the wig, I have 32-inch deep wave. All right, so let's take her out. So one thing that I've learned about wigs is, like, when you first take them out of the pack, they look like short and not full. You have to wash these in order to see the full potential. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. This is soft lace. Is this HD lace? And it's a full frontal. You guys know I love me a full frontal. So here go the full frontal. It has 3 combs adjustable straps. It is not plucked, so we are gonna have to go ahead and pluck this. So yeah, let's go ahead into bleaching. I'm going to use my quick blue with my 30 volume developer. I'm gonna mix my concoction together. So 1 part bleach, 1 part developer mixed together. You'll get the consistency that you need to put on the lace. And I'm gonna let it sit. It's kind of cold today, so about 25 minutes, but you definitely wanna watch this to make sure that it doesn't over process. Okay, you guys, so I did let the wig sit for a total of 30 minutes, all right? And I did put aluminum foil on it, but definitely watch your wigs because the temperature of your homes could affect how it processes, okay? So anyway, I'm going to wash out all the bleach, and then I'm going to go in with some purple shampoo. My favorite purple shampoo to currently use is Vanilla No Yellow. It is a very opaque violet shampoo, so it's going to tone your knots fairly quickly. I'm going to do that, and I'm going to rub it into the lace. While I'm doing that, while I'm washing the wig, I'm also going to use my Pantene Pro V, and I'm also going to put that on the base, the shaft, and the ends of the hair, and work that also into it so I can make sure that this wig is clean, because it did come from overseas or somebody's warehouse. And girl, we do not want any kind of critters or whatever, like dusty. We just don't want that on our head, so we want to make sure that everything is clean. So I'm just going to work that in and lather her on up. Now, what I did not show you guys on this actual clip right here is me deep conditioning, but I did deep conditioning with silicone mix. And you always want to deep condition all your wigs, doesn't matter if it's curly or colored or straight. Deep condition it with silicone mix, and I promise you that your longevity of your wigs is going to last way longer, okay? So yeah, look, this is the wig. She's giving very much scalp, but we are gonna go in and do a little plucking. So this is the wig freshly washed. I'm just gonna comb through the front of the hairline, and I'm gonna just start plucking. Now my advice when it comes to plucking is never stay in the same spot for too long when it comes to plucking. Rotate up and down and until you get your desired outcome and look. So my favorite tweezers are from Revlon. I do order these in bulk from Amazon because I'm always losing my tweezers. So yeah, I will definitely link the tweezers down below in the description box for you guys. Yeah. After the plucking, I'm going to go ahead in and create some baby hairs. Now, you guys have been seeing the other way that I've been doing this, but today, I decided to do it my normal way that I used to do it. I'm going to use my mousse to help me mold the hair and pull the baby hair down. And once I pull it down, I'm going to cut it with my razors and then shape it to the mannequin head. After the baby hairs are done, I'm going to take my Got To Be Free spray. I'm going to spray the hairline so it can help stay the hair in place while I'll sit the wig under the dryer. I'm going to use a rapid strip to wrap the hairline down, and I'm going to sit her under the dryer, and this is what she's looked like after she is completely dry. Okay, so what I am going to do is I'm going to go in with my wax stick, and I'm going to comb that through, and I'm going to take my hot comb and press the front of the hairline out to just make it look a little bit neat and easier for me to put on. And after all of that, this is what the wig looks like. I love this deep wave texture. The hairline looks amazing. The hair was actually very soft. But yeah, so the clips is jumping from my cell phone to my my DSLR camera, but both of them does a great job at recording what you need to record. Okay, so now it's time for me to put my wig on. Now, what I do want to say about this wig, it was a weird fit for me. I am a 22.5, 23. So if you're anything bigger than a 22.5, this wig is not going to work for you because I literally had to stretch this wig to either to make sure that it got on me. So like, yeah. If you're a smaller head, this wig is perfect. This cap size right here is perfect for you. So I am going to use Eben. I do not recommend Eben. I just ran out of my normal spray. If you continuously use Eben will dry out your edges and you have the potential to break your edges off, okay? That has happened to some people that I've known. It has happened to me. From experience, I'm letting you know. So if you do use this particular Eben product, make sure you wash your edges every time you take off your wig, because this is a temporary hold. This is a glueless method and it's wonderful, but this product is high in alcohol, and if excessive use over and over without washing your edges and conditioning your edges, you will lose your edges when it comes to this product. All right, so I do want to, you know, tell you guys that, because you guys do see me using this, but when I do take my wigs off after like a day or two or whatever the case may be, I wash my edges, I wash my hair, I wash my braids. Okay, so anyway, I use the Eben, I spray it down, and then I blow dry it until it's almost tacky, and then I lay the lace down, and then I blow dry it until it's fully dry, and then I'll go in and cut off that excessive lace and lay down my baby hairs with some spritz. So after I do that to both sides, I'm going to go ahead and pin my hair out the way, and I'm going to use the same spray to melt my lace. Okay, so I'm going to spray my hairline, and you want to hurry up and do this, because since you use the spray to lay your edges down, your lace down, if you wet it, it's going to reactivate and it's going to loosen up. So you need to hurry up and put your elastic band on when you spray your hair, right? So after that, I'm going to just go in and do some final touch work on my hair. And yeah, that's basically it. This wig was very beautiful. The lace is very thin. I definitely would recommend this wig, especially if you do like, you know, deep wave, wavy hair. I love wavy hair on me. That is just my jam. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. I'll be down there to answer them. And until next time, bye best friends.